Want to know how you can get 100 subs a day and almost 1,000 views in 1 week? Well, it's coming up right after this.
Holy moly, I like this. Had to upgrade my internet just so it could keep up with it. Anyway, also I had to beef up my security, not because of hackers, because of my kids. Taking my phone and downloading crap. So I like this hand scan. Access granted? Yes. Let's fix this music. I can't work without it. By the way, make sure you follow me on Facebook and IG. You definitely gotta sub my channel on YouTube. I'm Dad Starks. See it over there?
Hi, I'm Ryan and you're watching my channel Dad Starts, because I'm a dad who just started making money online while growing my YouTube channel. Now you can probably see it by looking at my channel. I don't have many subscribers or views, but that doesn't mean that you can't still make a nice income online. I'm living proof of that. Please stay tuned to the end of this video, because I'll tell you another great way how you can also boost your YouTube channel and your views and your subs, and also still make money online while you're doing it, while you're growing your YouTube channel. Now, one of the best ways to get your videos out to promote is also using other platforms, one of them being Facebook. Now, as you probably may have already been doing, like posting your videos on your timeline, you might notice that when you post your video links to YouTube, it's very small. So small that people hardly notice it, and people really don't even care about it. Facebook is trying to keep people on Facebook. They don't want to send people over to YouTube, so that's why that happens. But there's a way around that. That's a nice hack. What you want to do is this. You want to go to vidrise.com. vidrise.com. And it's free. It's free to sign up. Now, what is vidrise.com? Vidrise.com is a YouTube, Facebook link generator that will send your people to your page. When you upload your link into vidrise.com, it will generate a large picture of your thumbnail from your YouTube video, not the small, teeny whiny thing that comes on Facebook. And you can also customize it. And I'm going to show you how to do all those things right here in this video, and tell you what to do after it. After you signed all up, you're going to go back to your YouTube channel. You're going to log into your YouTube channel. Now you have two options. You can send people to your YouTube page itself, or you can send them to the video you're promoting. For this right here, I recommend promoting a video. So pick one of your favorite videos that has the highest views, and you're going to click share, and you're going to copy that link. Now once you have that link, you're going to go back to vidrise.com. And then on that website, you're going to put your link in the box that says generate link. Bam! You're doing great. After it generates the link, if you scroll down below, you'll see an image of your thumbnail, and you can also see it's much larger. So now you're going to customize that link. So you're going to scroll back up the way you generated your link. After you generated your link, some more options pop up. Thumbnail, text, and the thumbnail option or tab should already be highlighted. So if you want to change or customize your thumbnail, you can do that by uploading a picture you already have on your device or from your desktop and changing it. Now, one thing you can do on the thumbnail is you can change the play button. So if you scroll down, you'll see where it says play button, and you're going to click play button, and you can choose between a Facebook play button, a YouTube play button, and various others. I recommend using the Facebook play button so it blends in with Facebook. If you're happy with the thumbnail, you can move on to text. Now the text you can change as well, but you're limited to it because this is the free version. Main thing you want to focus on this right here after you've done everything else is the action. Now when you click the action tab, it's going to give you three options. The vidrise player. Now this is going to send people who click the link when you post it on Facebook back to this page where they can watch the video. Or you can send them to your YouTube channel. When they click that link, it's going to send them over to your YouTube channel. Or you can click the YouTube video and it's going to send those people all the way to that video that you're uploading. Or you can send them to your YouTube subscribe tab, where they'll be opted to subscribe first before watching the video. Now that really does work. I also got another video on that. It should be popping up soon. And watching that video will show you how to build your own subscriber pop-up links on your page, to where when people come to your page, they have to subscribe first before watching the video. Now once you've done all those things, you are gonna copy that link. This is after you click save all your changes. So what do you do with that link? You're gonna copy and paste the heck out of that bad boy, right? So look into your Facebook followers. We're gonna start with those first. Go to your followers and you're gonna click each person's name one by one and post to their timeline. Go down your whole followers. I'm telling you, it works, and it's gonna get your views, and it's gonna get a lot of traffic coming to that video, and it's gonna open up YouTube's eyes to where this person is doing some stuff. Now when you post that link on their timeline, don't just put the link. You want to put a little sentence too, like check out my new video. If you like it, please share and comment. And even when you post it on their timeline, you can also tell them please share. It's the law of average. 1 out of 10 people, 3 might want to go and watch your video. That's a batting average of 300 if you play baseball. If you didn't know, if you have a batting average of 300, they pay you $4 million. That's pretty high. And look at your views increase. You're growing organically and it's free. Now, as promised, I told you I'd show you another way to give you an extra boost on getting ranked on YouTube and getting more views and subscribers. And that is called Video Blaster Marketing Pro. And it does all the hard work and heavy lifting for you. There's a lot of stuff that goes into growing your YouTube channel, and this software breaks it down for you. It will increase your traffic, not just YouTube traffic, and Google. It will find you the best keywords for your tags and descriptions, and it will rank your videos and give you detailed data. Click the link in my description and you'll get it for a fraction of that price, but it only lasts for 10 minutes once you click it. Plus there's tons and tons and tons of reviews. Not only that, they stand by their product. I stand by their product. If you don't like it, you get your money back. 60 days, full money back guarantee. Once you get that, you're gonna need this. Everybody thinks that just because you don't have 10,000 views and 1,000 subscribers to get monetized on YouTube, that you can't make money on YouTube. You can still make money online. And the way to do that is affiliate marketing. You want to really make some money, you really want to match your current income from your job if you're working, you really want to quit your job, I would sell high ticket items. Imagine if you're getting a commission for $500. One person would set you straight. One person per day, 7 days a week to buy a product that's $500. Multiply that times 7, that's $3,500 a week. The money works, the money's there, the links are in my description. Thanks for having me, good luck. Make sure you start posting those links and growing your channel. Let me know how it goes, good luck.